Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. In today's video, I am going to make a Turkish mosaic lamp. Okay, let's start. I am using diamond shaped mirror. For coloring the mirror, I am using glass color. Here I am using two shades of blue, ultramarine blue and horizon blue. I already colored and keep it aside for 1 hour. I am using this glass jar. These types of glass jars are available in our home. Make sure that it has lid. You can even use bubble bowl if you have. The mirrors are ready after coloring. With that, I am going to use golden stone and upper part of plastic bottle. Now I am going to trace this circle design to the glass with permanent marker by inserting the design to the jar. Before directly placing the design to the jar, check the mirror and the jar size. It vary according to the size and shape of the mirror and jar. I left equal space among the design. Pasting mirrors of ultramarine blue color using Bond gum. Pasting horizon blue color mirrors. Again pasting ultramarine blue color mirrors. All the mirrors are pasted in 3 sides of the jar. Now I am going to paste these stones. I am using golden stone here. All the golden stones are pasted in 3 sides. Now I am going to paste this blue color sequence. Pasting circle mirror and some golden beads to cover the jar. Glass jar is ready. For the upper part and lower part of the lamp, I am using this bangle made of foil paper. You can make this by covering bangle with foil paper. Now I am going to paste this bangle to the upper part of the bottle with glue gun. I cut a circle shape from the lid. It is of same measurement as of holder. I am going to paste the holder to the lid. Inserting the wire to the upper part of the lamp and then pasting the holder and the upper part to the lid of the jar. Coloring with black and golden color. You can see that this lamp is fully functional as we can change the light by just opening the lid. This is just a simple idea of how to create a lamp like this. You can even make it as a floor lamp or just place a tea light candle and make a tea light holder. I hope you like my video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for your valuable comments. Thank you for watching.